Happy Mother's Day from Leona Dooley and Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen, where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Today, we are going to be participating in a collaboration, taking a look, first of all, at mothers and what mothers are all about, and second, about a Mother's Day coffee table that is styled with mom in mind. Now, mom may be, her style may be yours, or it may not. But whatever you put together, I know it will be beautiful. And so, the host for this particular collaboration is Luxe by Robin, and also Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And these two creators come up with all sorts of beautiful things for your home. So I'm hoping that you will stop by their channel as well. Their links are in my description box. Now, there's going to also be a playlist that will be in the description box, and I hope you'll check everyone out. Now today, for my coffee table, I'm doing something that brings my mom right here. My mom's been gone quite a while, but she is still with me. And so we do have and share a love for flowers. We also share a love for outdoors and our porches. So stay tuned because you're going to see what we like. For Mother's Day this year, I wanted to participate in the coffee table styling, but I didn't want it to be just any coffee table or in the typical place. So what I decided was that I was going to focus on my mom. Now my mom is gone, but my mom's memories still linger with me, and they will always be a part of me because I'm a part of her. Now, my mother loved being outdoors and on a porch. Every house we had a front porch, and the one she loved the best was the one that had a swing. Now, unfortunately, I've never personally had a porch swing as such, but I've always had a beautiful porch. Now, this particular porch is a screen porch, and when she would come to visit, she would always want to spend as much time as possible on the screen porch. So, this is where I did my coffee table styling because, oh my goodness, I know her well enough to know that she would have spent hours right here at the coffee table on this couch and just relaxed and found her groove sitting here. Now, my mom's probably been gone over 20 years. In fact, she has been. But she had a beautiful green thumb. Lots and lots of color was what she liked as far as her flowers were concerned. So when I put this arrangement together, I used what I had because after all, we are quarantined, but I had some lovely summer flowers that I know my mom would absolutely adore. She was a fern girl. She had beautiful, huge ferns that she would keep even through the winter. And then when spring and the warm weather came back and there was no chance of frost, those ferns would come outside. And I kid you not, I know those ferns had to weigh over anywhere from 50 to 70 pounds because they were so large. And she had them in huge pots. So I am just giving you a peek at her coffee table. So here I have birds because she loved the sound of birds. I have a little lantern that says family gathers here. My mom was known for always hosting events at the house. We always had people coming in and out of our home for dinner. Our pastor loved to come to our house, and mom would cook whatever his favorite dish was or whatever his request was. And my dad, he had his friends who would come and have dinner because everyone wanted to be where she was. She was a good lady. And here we have a lantern, and we have a candle inside with some greenery. And in fact, what I did with this particular candle was, it's not dirty, but I took a mirror image, so a mirrored spray, and sprayed the glass inside of this lantern so that at night when it shines, it will shine beautifully, but it's going to have a very mirrored effect. So our flowers are colorful, and this is a beautiful place to relax. So what a lovely coffee table. So guys, I hope your Mother's Day is as blessed as mine is going to be. I am looking forward to spending time with my daughter, and even though we can't be but we'll have to stay 6 feet apart because she's been at her house and I've been at mine. But that day will not go by without our spending time together. So I hope you also have that opportunity. You know, there are some things about Mother's Day that bring sad thoughts, but for me, it is a joyous time because without our mothers, think of where our world would be. You know, guys, Mother's Day really is every day. Hold your mother high. And remember that she's very special and very vital to your life. I love my mom and I miss her every day. We talked every day. And it's just a little hole in the heart every now and then when she's not here. But you know what? I have a beautiful daughter who is a lovely mother of 3 children. I've got a daughter-in-law who also has a child, and they are mothers. So as you look around, you're going to see many mothers. And children, remember, we didn't come with a book. So we make mistakes, but you love us anyway. So I hope that you have certainly enjoyed this collaboration, and I hope that you enjoyed sharing a bit of mom with me. So I will see you soon right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme.